Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Maya Michelle and I'm back to you guys with another video. Today's video I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how I mold and style my hair. Look, I really did that. Hair, who needs a hairstylist? Okay, let me do a 360. Okay, I've been really invested on learning how to do my own hair. If you guys do want a tutorial on how I relax, cut, mold, and style the whole shebang, please leave a comment down below and let me know, because before I filmed this video I did relax and cut my hair. All right, let's get right on to the video. Okay guys, so we're going to start off with freshly washed clean hair. Okay, and what I use for my foam is the Nairobi foam. Y'all, the Nairobi foam is the GOAT. I've tried other like setting foams and it's never ever done the job for me, so this has always been it. So I just take the foam and I just take a whole bunch of it and I just kind of like rub it in my head, make sure it gets all in my head, because I use a lot of it, because for some reason why, like, I use a mild relaxer and the mild relaxer doesn't keep my hair straight. My hair, it just loosens my curl texture. So that's the reason why I use a lot of foam. But right now I'm just combing through my hair just to make sure that it is very flat. So then once I comb my hair as flat as possible, I start to do the waves for my edges. I do like 3 or 4 like big wave scoops across my head. I don't do a whole lot of finger waves. I just keep it real basic. The reason why I only do swoops on my edges is because I tend to curl my hair, and when I curl my hair, that's what it helps gives me the wave. So for my side here, I'm just doing one swoop and then I'm swooping my edges, and then I'll do the same for the middle, and then I'll do the same thing for the other side. So it's hard for me to say it, so I'm just going to just explain, have you guys watch it, if that makes sense. But this is how I do my hair. I like the way I do my hair, and I get compliments all the time on the way I do my hair, so it just saves me time, because I think doing finger waves throughout the whole entire head, I just think it's just a waste of energy for me. Okay, so now I'm going to take my rapid styling strips and I'm just going to wrap them around my head. And I wrap them pretty tightly because I want my hair to stay flat while they stand underneath the dryer. And then so I wrap it around, and then you just take a little bit of mousse and then you just lay it over the ends, and that's how you get them to stick like that. And I wrap a lot because, like I said, my hair does get curly still because I use a mild relaxer just for the sake of my scalp. And so I wrap these wrap strips everywhere, as y'all see. You get them at the beauty supply store for like a pack for like 2 for like a small pack, and if you want a bigger box of them, get them for $5. Why did I find myself trying to go to Sally's Beauty, y'all, to try to get some wrap strips? Because in the area I was in, they just didn't have like a local beauty supply store near me, and they was selling them for $8 at Sally's Beauty. Y'all tripping, because there's no way I'm paying $8 for some wrap strips when I can only get them for $2. They was tripping.
me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cop. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, but he blowing her back. Think about me, cause you know that it's fat.
Okay, so now that I'm done with wrapping my hair, I sit underneath a hooded dryer. That's my hooded dryer. You just take the end and you plug it up to a dryer, and I sit under the dryer for a whole hour. And then once I'm done, you just make sure you check to make sure it's all the way dry. If it's not all the way dry, you could take some strips off, like majority of the layer of your strips off, and then sit back underneath the dryer for a little bit more until it's dry. But you're gonna want to sit underneath that dryer until it's fully dry. Okay, so next I'm going to be taking a dime size amount of my BioSilk Therapy, and I'm just going to smooth out all in my hair, and this is what helps my hair to stay very, very shiny. I love this stuff, y'all. Next, I'm going to take this heat protectant and I'm going to spray it in my hands and pat it on my hair. Because it's water-based, if I spray it directly to my hair, it might make my hair frizz up or come up, and I don't want that. You can also use this heat protectant before you mousse your hair and before you go underneath the dryer, just so your hair can be protected from heat as much as possible. Next, I am going to be taking my comb and I'm just going to comb out my hair just so it can be easier for me to curl and style. Okay, so now we're about to get into styling my hair. Okay, so you're going to take your small baby flat iron, okay? And you're going to curl it, and then you're going to curl and swipe it onto the side and lay that curl flat. This is what I do over my entire head because this is what helps me get the wave effect when I'm styling my hair at the end. As you can see, I'm doing it again, and I'm curling it to the side and then laying that curl flat. And you're going to do this curl in the direction that the hair is laying. And like I said, I'm just going to do this all over my head.
If I had it my way, you would know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part.
Sunrise and those brown eyes, yes, you're the one that I desire. When we wake up and then we make love, it makes me feel so nice. You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the talent all I take when my head hurts. You're the sunshine of my life. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star.
Okay, and then here I'm just showing you guys what the back looks like curled. I should have pulled out my clippers and clipped the back of my hair. But y'all, this is the best hairspray I've ever used, y'all. This is my go-to hairspray no matter what. And then you're also going to take yourself a rat tail comb like this one, and this is what you're going to use to style your hair. So you're going to take the wide end, and what I'm doing is I'm just combing them curls out, but I'm combing them in the direction that the curls are laying, if that makes sense. And then that just helps get the wave, as you can see.
If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something?
And then when it comes to the back, I do the same thing. I just comb it in the direction, or whatever direction I feel like. I feel like the back doesn't really matter. And once I get done combing the back, I just hairspray the nape of my hair. Now normally I do have some clippers, and normally I do take the clippers and I just go real close because I don't like having hair back there. But I was on a little bit of a time crunch, so I was like, we had to do it. Sometimes I be fighting them hairs in the back of my neck, and it just looks a hot mess. I should have took some clippers back there. But if you want a tutorial on how I relax my hair, please leave a comment down below. Okay, cute. Okay, so now I'm just going to take a scarf and I'm just going to tie my hair, and that's just to make my hair a little bit flatter to my head. I know sometimes when you curl it makes it a little bit bigger. If I was in a rush and I was going somewhere, I would just left like that, but I do like the more of a flatter look to my head. So I just tie a scarf down for however long I need to. Okay, so now that I've taken off my scarf off of my head, this is what the end result of my hair looks like. It is so cute, y'all. And I just love my short hair. I think my short hair fits my face so well, better than any other hairstyle I've ever done. So y'all, get into it. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.